Emergency video.
Continue on Sunny.
Sucked in, you fucking idiot.
Toastmasters. Toastmasters is a worldwide speaking organisation with clubs in nearly every town and country, and they remove the fear of having to make a speech. The people are friendly and supportive.
What the
and you'll
fuck?
be most welcome. Why not visit a Toastmasters club in Caboolture, Trybe, or wherever you're at? Just Google Toastmasters to find out more details. Toastmasters, a new happy experience.
What are you?
Fucking mom. Actually hit the car.
Yeah, I know, but the other one came out at the same time.
We got one!
Next Wednesday and Thursday, featuring Beethoven's Ninth Symphony and new music. Let your imagination run wild in an evening inspiring hope and calling us to peace and harmony. Experience Beethoven's classical masterpiece in a triumphant evening music.
Oh, go, dickhead, go.
Canberra Symphony Orchestra.
What the fuck?
Oh, I didn't know what she was doing. She's just trying to find her car.
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
Hey, don't break my area, lady. Look at this fucking dickhead. Oh, yes, I've got him on camera too. Oh, he's just killing me. Oh, I love it. Hey?
Did you get the filmers? Did you get the filmers, nigga?
No, he cut me off in his truck and he nearly lost it. Coming back, he was trying to cut me off and he's going backwards and forwards trying to fucking... And he's forgot about the indicator, it's still on, so he was that fucking wild up.
I'm glad you accepted the emotion.
Trying to
Always to be a talent.
think who used to say that. Good grief.
No left-hand indicator in a left-hand turn lane.
Told her he knew more than he was letting on. I'm not sure. Responded to Bill Smiley of the USS Wood. In conversations outside.
Look at that, straight through.
Expressed his annoyance with
Naughty
his
boy.
first officer, but not because she was in any way incompetent, but because
that's
she was
why.
usually the one.
This song.
The fuck are you doing, you stupid?
What the? Wrong turn!
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only...
Nothing. Me? Just hanging around.
He saw me. He sped up.
Yeah. Did entering car chance?
Yeah. So, look at that one. Wow, different.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Now available through Cyberwarden.
Oh, there's
from
a
the
one for
Council
you,
of
Scotty.
Small Business Australia and funded by the federal government.
Oh, another good one for Scotty. Lovely old one.
enough pressure.
Ooh, nice.
There's one for Scotty.